Hi, my name is Jeff McAndrew, VP of Sales for Generac Clean Energy. There's a lot to love about the Generac PWRmicro. It's designed for reliability, rapid installation, and power. It's a single SKU 2-to-1 microinverter with 410 watts output per channel, which enables compatibility with larger PV modules available on the market today. It's built in Texas, which means we'll qualify for domestic content, which will enable a wider variety of panels that can be used to qualify for the TPO bonus adders. You also get 50% more power per circuit with this device, which means fewer wires and a faster installation process. Solar dealers appreciate the fact that leveraging the Generac brand enables instant credibility at the kitchen table, and installers are raving about the fact that they have a commissioning process that gets them home on time. Lastly, our stringent reliability testing has enabled a 25-year product warranty, as well as a 5-year labor warranty on this device. The microinverter also, of course, integrates with Generac's PowerCell 2 energy storage system, our Power Manager load management device, our ecobee smart thermostats, as well as Generac's flagship home standby generators to enable the ultimate peace of mind for homeowners who really want backup power. Click here to learn more.